Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write 10 lines on the state Bihar. This video also covers the topic how to write 10-line essay on the state Bihar or 10-line essay on my state Bihar. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Bihar is a state located in the northeast part of India. Second line, it is at the 11th position in terms of the total area in the country. Third line, it is also the third largest populous state in India. Line number 4 is Patna is the capital of this state. Fifth line, Hindi and Urdu are the official languages of Bihar. Sixth line is Mr. Nitish Kumar is the present Chief Minister of the state. Line number 7 is the river Ganga passes from most districts in Bihar. Eighth line is this makes its soil fit for agriculture and provide an abundance of water. Line number 9 is thus it is one of the strongest agricultural states of India. The last line on the state Bihar is, it is a land of political parties and leaders.